Good afternoon. I'm coming to you from the National Board of Unnecessary Begging in a Farin, and these are some things that we don't like.
Wagwan, beautiful and amazing people. So guys, in today's video it's all about the begging culture in Jamaica, and in this video it's a couple of clips from Jamaicans themselves, both at home and abroad, complaining about this issue. So for me, I look at it in two ways: the entitlement factor and the diaspora disconnect, so that you may be able to understand all these things, because what they're saying is true, what those that are at home are saying is true. And first of all, let's listen to these videos, and then I'll later on come back and do a very deep analysis about it. So let's listen to the videos.
Yo, you know one thing that really pisses me off about living in Jamaica, and this is also something I cannot get used to, is the begging culture. I swear to God, it's the most pathetic shit I've ever seen. When I tell you, almost everybody begs out here, even the people with money beg. People that work jobs. I don't understand that shit. I'm too much of a prideful person to ask anybody for anything. When I first came here, I was broke as fuck. I lied to you not. One time I bought a small can of mackerel and 1 pound of rice. I made that shit stretch me 2 days. And I had somebody I could ask for money. I had somebody I could like get money from, but true, I'm prideful. I said, you know what? I'm not even gonna ask this person. In my opinion, if you're begging somebody like your mother, your father, sister, cousin, that's different. That's family. You have all right to beg because, you know, they're supposed to help you. There's nothing wrong with that. But when I say complete strangers in fucking Jamaica, complete strangers just walk up to you and beg like they're homeless, it makes no sense. I was just standing in what you call it, the gas station up there, and then this woman, she walked up to me. She was like, hey sir, may I beg you 2 bills? So I said, oh, I don't got it right now. All right, just give me a bills, help me make up something. I think she was buying like tampons or something. She was like, hey, just give me a bills to help me make up. I said, I don't have it. She said, you don't have a bills? I looked at her and said, bitch, you don't have a bills? What you mean? Like, yo, when I tell you I was this close to smack it, yo, I'm telling you, I said it multiple times. People in Jamaica will send you to jail just because of their ignorance, bro. I lied to you not, bro. It's so pathetic and it's so annoying and disgusting to the point where, like, I avoid people. Like I have friends out here, but I avoid them a lot sometimes because I know they're gonna beg, and I don't mind saying no. I just don't want to say no. You get what I'm saying? And like, alright, another thing, like the females do it shamelessly. Women in Jamaica beg shamelessly. It's like they feel like they have the right to do that shit. And that's why it's hard for me to find somebody here I take serious. Because I'll be chilling with a girl, we'll be doing good together and stuff like that. Then she'll say something that completely turned me off. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, you could pay for this, I pay for that. And it's like, I just met you. I just met you. In Jamaica, a bitch will ask you for money before she asks you your name. They don't care about your name. They just want to know if you could buy them what they need to buy. You get what I'm saying? And it's just so weird, bro. Because everybody does it. Everybody. Like, what the fuck? Bro, I've been here for 6 years. 6 fucking years, bro. If I had 1 bills for every time somebody begged me for money, I'd have enough to go back to America. No bullshit. That's how much it fucking happens. Every day somebody's begging for something, dog. Since I've been in Jamaica, I had 12 jobs. 12 jobs. And I didn't even grow up in Jamaica. So if a man like me could come to this country and get 12 different jobs, so can you. Dog, like, I don't know if people are lazy. I don't know if they're unambitious. I don't know what the case is, bro. But that begging culture shit, I can't get used to it. It's fucking lame. It's stupid. It's disgusting. And I know I might have some ignorant people in the comments saying some shit. Hey, go suck your mother. You see it? That's all I have to say. Because if you probably beg too. Yeah, man. I'm out.
While I do believe that Jamaica has a begging culture, I will say this. If the people who are actually begging you did take care of you, you should not complain. Literally. I had a guy in my workplace who was saying that his mom asked him for too much money. And I'm like, how long you live with your mom for? 19 years. Bro, what? Your mom is begging you too much for money, bro. I get that. A lot of people might disagree. But trust me, a lot of you guys will come here and literally forget the people who actually took care of you. Let's not get that straight. It's not only begging culture. Some of you guys are ungrateful. You come to America, you left your whole family back home, no matter if it's from Jamaica, any other country, and you refuse to send nothing back because you think it's too much work or it's too much thing. I told my mom, to be honest, sending a barrel back home is too much work. So I'm just going to give you money, and I will give her money one time. And the way how I love my mom, she's okay with that. She's like, that's fine. When you could send it, you send it. When my grandma sending barrel, I put shit in and send it. To do it myself, too much work. But I know that I still send her money on an annual basis. A lot of you guys come out here and be like, oh, begging culture too much. Bro, you came from a family that treats you good. And all of a sudden you can't get on the money?
So, I know my Jamaicans gonna get in my ass for this one, but I don't care. I don't answer 876 area code. I'm not gonna do it. I can't do it. I've tried. I've done it before. But I learned my lesson. Nobody's not gonna terrorize me for my hard-earned money. Like, they send me here to work and I owe them something. So for me, the number, you call my phone, I'm blocked. I don't even want to know who it is. I don't care. I don't answer 876 area codes. Sorry. Not sorry.
As a person who was born and raised in Jamaica, begging culture has always been a thing. And if you really come from Jamaica like that, you're going to know that there's no system in place to really help poor people. Other than me know about food for the poor, me don't know about nothing. Yes, maybe if I do my local research, but I'm telling you right now, bro, there's no system in place, so you have to beg. And work in general, to get a work is really hard. If you leave 6 in the morning, sometimes you might get back home at like 6 in the afternoon. Even insurance, Medicaid, and if you go to the hospital, you have to go to the hospital 4, 5, 6 in the morning. And by the time you get called, 4 in the afternoon, 5 in the afternoon, or 6 in the afternoon. You come off fire and all of a sudden you remember about begging culture. Oh shit, what's this? Why is it something like this? You come off fire and you figure out about where you come from and the system and how it operate. Don't do that, man. Please, don't do it. It don't make no sense to do that because you just make yourself look stupid.
I want to answer to that question now. Why big man, not a homeless man, big strapped in, strong man with 4 limbs is going to be asking a young lady like myself who you don't see pushing a big nice Benz or anything like that. You see me walking and you're going to be asking me for $1,000 and you're not a homeless person. I not understand. And a 2 times yesterday. It happened to me before now and then, but yesterday 2 times, 2 different men asked me for money. Yesterday? Okay. Why?
There's nothing I hate more in this life than a begging man. Like, the only thing a man's supposed to beg me for, like, a front. Like, begging is such a feminine trait. Imagine, like, asking a woman for, like, $100 or $50 or begging. Just beg. Like, why are you begging? As a man, why are you begging?
Whenever I make a video about Jamaica, there's always going to be that 1 or 2 comment that asks me, why do Jamaicans beg so much? The average Jamaican makes at least $5 to $10 an hour. $5 to $10 an hour. And first of all, don't even get started with these foreign parties that come into Jamaica. When they come into Jamaica, they are not paying the people the right amount of money. They will make triple or probably even 5 times the money on one person because they're paying them by contract. And by contract, you're able to give them any amount of money you want to give them. So if you tell them, say, I get $10,000 a week, $10,000 a week, in American money, that's $100 a week. $100 a week. The begging culture is going to get bad because the people who are in charge constantly lie and they serve their years and they earn their money. The person who is the president, if you look at the things he's signing, he's getting cuts from it. Just like in America, when the man them still got war in America, they may tell us that doing it. And when you donate your money, they're earning from that shit because they got a share or they have portfolios in these investments If it's a war, okay, they're going to invest their money into guns, certain supplies, because they're my president or they're my leader of a country. So they might know what's more needed in these war. And when you look at these small countries, nobody gives a fuck about them. What the fuck do I give a fuck about a small country for? Why? Why do they care? They don't.
Alright, cool. We're gonna address something. The begging culture in Jamaica. I've lived here for just under a year. It's mad. Why are people begging like this? Bro, people have no shame. I kid you not. You see out here, like, it's not a normal thing. People have no shame. I'm trying to show you. Bro, there's a woman outside KFC. Since I came here, the woman's been begging. First, she tried to say it's for her son. Yeah? Something. He can't speak, he can't walk, he can't do nothing. Then I deeped it. After a bit, I've deeped it. She's lying to me. Because she stopped spitting that sun line. Do you know what I'm saying? It's like, when she first saw me, it's like she thought I was a tourist or something. So she spit that line. But when she carried on seeing me, it's like, oh, she can't spit that line no more. So now she just says, oh. Yeah, now she's just on some... oh, yeah, sir, I beg you a second, sir, beg you a second, whatever, and begs it, just keeps begging. But then I deeped it, wait, hold on. This woman, she's been begging for this long. Why can't she get a job? Why can't she get a job? Now, when you actually deep it, if you're there every day outside KFC, on the front line, there begging, you could spend that time and get a job. You're there for the whole day begging. But I spoke to a woman briefly in the taxi. She was there. She was in the same taxi as me. I spoke to her for a brief sec, bro. Just about why they're cutting down some trees on the road. I kid you not. I come out. She's in front of me walking. Bam! Turn around. Bam! Calling me. This is her hand calling me. That's how she go. Sir, come here first. Begging me for bread to also call for her flipping, for her youth. I'm thinking, so if you never saw me in this taxi, how would you have got bread? I'm not even your baby father. The first day I landed, begging it. There's a youth in the KFC. I'm in KFC, I open KFC, I'm copping food. There's youths there, brethrens and everything. Has ski mask on, so you think, do you know what I'm saying? This is one of the chopper them. Yeah, man must be getting bread. Yo, beg you 2 bills now. Beg you 2 bills. I'm like, yeah, no, I ain't got no 2 bills. But I had 2 bills, but better. It's not a pressuring me for 2 bills thing. Furthermore, I don't have the 2 bills now. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because I feel like you're putting me under pressure for 2 bills. You know what I'm saying? On some badness thing. Bro, these men have no shame. Bro, I'm kidding you not. There's so much begging that I have in my head. I can't tell you like all of the begging. I'm talking people in jobs, live or working, bro. Live or working. They are begging. People that are, like, do you know what I'm saying? Like, doing their job. Security, whatever. Begging it. Live, no fear in the heart. No shame, no nothing. Do you know what I'm saying? Big adults. Everything, begging it. I was walking. This guy's in front of me. Yeah? One brother's in front of me. I'm behind him. Yeah? But he's just a little bit in front of me. Like, I'm trying to get past him kind of thing. This woman sees us. He's like, sir. Excuse me, sir. So I'm thinking, oh, yeah, man, she must be calling to Donnie, you get me? She's like, no, you, sir, are you me I talk to? I'm like, oh, yeah? She's like, you can sponsor my daughter, please. Aye, she had a whole list. She had the thing with the donate, with the this, with the that, with the that. Bro, you're there for the whole day with list, with all of that. Why are you not getting a job? Bro, I'm not saying you can't give to people, you know. That's not my thing. I'm not saying that you could give to people. But I'm saying it's a professional organization of begging out there with like the no shame thing. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, get me? There's people live or working, you know that they're in jobs, bro. Get me? I'm talking all kind of people, bro. Do you get what I'm saying? There's people with cars and everything begging you, bro, with no shame. Nah, man. They have to sort it out. It's mad out here. I'm sorry this video had to be this long, but it's mad. People have no shame. Bro, like, they will live or have peas. It's not that they're broke as well, some of them, you know. Some of them have peas in their pocket, but they want your peas. They want to use your peas. They want to use your readies. Oh, yeah, get me this, that. No shame in this thing, I'm telling you.
We have a begging epidemic in Jamaica, and we need to talk about it. I've seen more than one foreigners on the social media, be it on IG, TikTok, even YouTube, complain about their experience in Jamaica. They went to visit as a tourist, went to visit family, I went to just chill out. And they were begged down to the shoes that they wore. Why is this becoming a cultural thing in Jamaica? I'm ashamed of it, to be honest. And this is not me bashing anyone that made a video in regards to this. That was your experience. You have a right to talk about it. I'm not bashing you. I'm genuinely not. I'm more talking to my Jamaicans. Why are we like this? Where is this pride that we used to have? I mean, alone remember the little saying when you were younger. They used to say, big man money, man gear, body gear. I mean, I don't remember it. What is begging to any man them are beg just as much, if not more, than the woman them. Every walk you walk here, my general, father. At some point you might start here, papi, mi dinero. Come on, man, we can do better. And this is not me saying you can't ask for help when you need it. But it's the sheer audacity when you not beg to. And if people not give you because them generally don't have it, or them simply just don't want to give you because it's not yours. Someone who is willing to hurt them. It needs to stop, people. It needs to be checked. Where is this Jamaican pride? And don't get me started on the one them where beg the family for help 1,000,000 at one time, and the one time the family don't help them across it. But that's another video for another time. But share your thoughts in the comment section and ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment.
What's up with the begging culture in Jamaica? This is something I've actually wanted to talk about, but since people are always vexed about something, I wanted to be sure that I articulated correctly before I got on TikTok talking about it. And this is not directed to all Jamaicans. This is directed to some Jamaicans. So let's just be clear before we get into this. So I've experienced this. A few people that I've talked to have experienced this. And actually Jamaicans themselves have told me about their experience with the begging culture. So begging, and it'll be like the smallest thing. Hey, I beg you $200. I beg you $300. I beg you $1,000. And our thing is, like, why do you guys feel so comfortable begging, especially women, when you beg women for money? Hey, I beg you $100, beg you $200, beg you $500,000, whatever. My thing is I've heard that you guys assume that Americans have all this money just because we're from America. That is very, very false. I'm gonna let you know something about Americans. A lot of Americans be broke, number one. Number two, a lot of Americans, when they go to Jamaica and visit Jamaica, a lot of them have been saving up money 6 months to a year to even be able to afford to come. Three, sometimes it's income tax season. So they're using their income taxes to flex and boost and boast on their vacations. In America, we have to work our asses off just to make rent, just to make bills. So just because someone is from America, that does not mean that they have all of this money. And money does not grow on trees in America. So before you come looking begging for some Americans, be sure it's which American that you begging for, because some of these hoes be broke. That the cord.
All I'm going to say is, as you can see here, Jamaican men are quite used to Jamaican Barbies begging too much. These men are used to begging. Simultaneously, these men always beg for something. It's also no wonder these women are simultaneously begging for something in exchange. And the top two things they're always begging for is food and cat. And no, they don't eat animals, okay? But let's not act like these men don't be begging for boom boom, okay? I'm saying this very quietly and calmly because I need you guys to really hear me out here. And I don't want any woman abroad or anywhere else feel that they can get away because these men are used to women begging, okay? So when you see them beg too, okay? Follow that train wherever it goes. So when you see them, make sure say you beg something, okay? Because they're looking you. If they're looking you, they're going to ask for something. So make sure say you have something ready for beg for.
Good afternoon. I'm coming to you from the National Board of Unnecessary Begging in a Farin, and these are some things that we don't like. Listen carefully. Please do not take up the phone on a Friday morning and call about is on a birthday and no want a money to keep on a birthday or beat some juice. Don't do it. Please do not call and tell us you don't see no wig over plaza and an eyelash when you want a money to go buy because you have one big dance to go on a back road. Not do it a year because sometimes we have to wrap up with head and gone because nobody don't see we in a foreign, you know. Gone are the days when you hear one little man say, psst, hey baby, that not keep up here. You understand? And we could all have one light bill over there so and one water bill around there so wait for we pay uno take up phone now come call ask all kind of foolishness. And this is the next thing again. You see when you go up on the Amazon website, stop send me the link them and send me over Amazon because it's not paper and water we use to check out. You understand? One of this I say again? Alright. And listen. You see anytime when I go call and beg anything, please check the time of the calendar. If it's any time in the last part of the month to the first part of any month, all our 40 bills them due and we have to put them first because me and Uno know so no down there talk the things them bowy and we can't afford for them put we out of where we at.
So I just do something a while ago where make me feel really good and I don't have no doubt in my mind, you know, after doing it. So me as a woman, I always cook my food in my yard. But this afternoon, you know, I just feel like work just take me over. I can't stop for cook. I don't want to eat nothing light. I want to eat something with just to make me feel like I actually eat some food. So I take myself and I drive go Popeyes and I bought a meal. No, this is not my regular style for just get up out of my house after 7 o'clock in the night. Say me I go drive go Popeyes to buy food. I know for me style that. While I was at the Popeyes now and I cashed my meal and I'm coming out, as I was going in my, coming in my van, right? A man shouted out to me. So I look and I see that he's on a bicycle with about 4 big white bag. When me look good, cause rain a drizzle, when me look good, me say I be a buckle there in the bag. I mean, I say, man, you got any bottles? You got any recycler or whatever? So I say, no. But then, I look good on the bicycle, and my sister, because it's a small bicycle right now, I look good. My sister one little picnic up on the bicycle with the man at the front of me. I say, how the hell am I ride with so much bag? I mean, about 4 to 6 bag, a whole heap of big old bag the man have. We don't little picnic in between him. There's a little picnic look like him probably anywhere between 5 and 6. Right? Or 5 to 7. I don't think him 7 yet. And he must say something more to me, but I can't hear. So I say, hold on. So I put on the food in my car. Because I know I'm asking for buckle. I put on the food in my car and I walk over to him. I lock my car door and I walk over to him and I say, you okay? So I say, the rain is falling. You and the kid in the rain. Me did I get wet too, but me no business. A week me have on so my head not really wet. I say, you okay? You know, the little boy is soaking wet. Look, I mean him wet. Him on a white t-shirt, him ear wet. Them look like them are Spanish or so. I don't really want to say what them, either them white or them Spanish. I don't know. So I say, you guys hungry? You want me to get you something to eat? And him say, hell yeah! So then look boy say, oh my god, you're gonna get some food. I say, my heart broke in a million pieces. The way the little boy was so happy, even though I should have happy, same happy, my heart broke in a million pieces. Listen, Pitney not for hungry. I don't know. Pitney not for hungry. Anyway, my said to the man, say, want to come inside? Him say, no, them kick him out of there because him always come in there ask people for buckle. So him can't go in there. So I'm sorry, my little boy come. I go inside the little boy and say, what you want? Him father said, buy 2 sandwich. Come I just tell him, say, anything you want on the menu, that's fine with me. It's okay, my treat. So little boy said, I just want nuggets. And him daddy said, no, get chicken sandwich that I go full your belly with whatever. So, you know, going and order. I said, look up, him excited. I'm going to eat Popeyes. And I said, look, on this, see all my pitney, take them something for granted, you know. Nothing is wrong with that because, yes, I am able to provide these things for my son whenever I want it. But for sister, another little pitney Like so innocent, you know. And the thing about it is that I feel bad, but I feel good. After them get them food and him come outside and him and show him daddy. I mean him carry the whole of the food himself. Them say, I got it. So that alone I show me say a long time and him daddy they are struggle and I do the thing I roll by himself because him carry everything and him I tell me say no, him not need me to help him carry the drinks now the food. Him got it. This little picnic and him carry them to him father and then him go sit down on one little step and start eat. And me I look at him and me I say, you have some people every day on find on yourself and people like myself page in our DM and them something there. And you just call, cause me I tell them, I see it happen to me every day and I say, me I don't want freely come and talk about them something there. And all you do, I just a beg. Foxy beg you 1 week now. Foxy and all clothes, not even all. Foxy beg you some of them clothes that I see I promote now. Foxy, me want a money and I want to go buy some groceries. Like, you know, just a beg. And me not know if I can't tell who is a scammer or who just a try to take advantage of people and something. But for sister, this man out a door in the rain with him youth. Pan a little bicycle. With how much buckle sitting for go sell them buckle if I make sure I have dinner this evening. I have to respect that. As much as I hate that for the kid. I have to respect that. But some of you yes, and a man me talk about a beer woman. My sister man call me come away from all Jamaica. Una beg. Me no like it. Me say una for go class me and say me never come talk about it. But una need for stop it. It gets easier and easier every day for una come on this internet come a beg and a text set pan people. It's like una some predator. Una literally go around for say una think. Who una think have money or una see I do a little business. Una come and say Foxy. Boy, you want to say, I admire what you're doing and I really love if you could give me a start. And that if you say no, Foxy, you could have started me off with all 112 sheet. I promise you, I'm not going to let it down. I'm going to sell them. You don't want to do that. You just want to come bother people and beg. Me not like it. And at the end of the day, I can't help everybody neither because I still try to build something for myself. But I don't understand why it gets so easy. One time people used to have like a shame. You notice what the man do? The man never come and beg me nothing for full in belly. Him ask him if I have no buckle because I sell him and look for go sell the buckle. So I ask him and go look for hustle to buy him dinner. Because I could have come and say, Miss beg you $20. Yo, someone need to do better, man. You have to do better. You have to do better. And someone is because you lazy and you don't want to work. You come on and see people every day upon this happy beg, but puss and dog have the same luck. And everybody want to try them something with them. Someone are going to get shame. Me not going to shame you know, but a lot of people on here that hate beggars or who have been used by beggars are going to embarrass you know, if you don't continue with that little dirty mentality. They want to just get up and a beg. It is annoying. It is annoying and it make it hard for other people who genuinely want help. It make me second guess everybody. May I tell you the truth? People can't tell and say, boy, Foxy mean you see, because people forget when me used to help cancer people on Instagram. Right? I want to find out when I make everybody form big group and I donate groceries every week to this woman and I pay her bills them. This woman was lying about the cancer what she have. Shame me on the internet, my ball like me an idiot the way me embarrass. People not remember about the charity them when me do. You understand about them? I remember say when them come ask me for your money, me tell them nope. You get me? I say, you need to stop it. You need to stop that little dirty begging mentality they want to have. I hear other people on this internet here complain about it too. Just jump in at people DM, jump on people WhatsApp and just beg. I don't like it. I don't care who want vex. I do not like it.
So me come to talk to the man them at Jamaica, Zane. The woman them a find a Christ. Anytime you meet them on social media, on the dating site, them all you know I do I just a beg. So please don't start the begging like you're blind. Stop make Jamaican men they look bad. The begging man them at Jamaica, want to stop it, please. Cause you have some good man out there want some good opportunity with the woman them and want to make it bad for them, please. Yeah man, the foreigner them say they fed up on the man. Cause they go on dating site, so they want a good Jamaican man. When they go on dating site, I be a begging Jamaican man on the dating site. Them, you don't want to spend no time to get to know the woman. That woman they send you the number. All on the pad. You know, be a problem. Yeah. You don't tell the woman in bag of life you try to get money. You don't stop it, man. Please take time and get to know the woman and start the big thing, man.
Dirty sweetie ball, the beggy blood clot, girl, man, the beggy boy, them a Jamaica. Stop walk and beggy people, them a foreign hard, no blood clot. Get up, go do 195. Get up, go do one blood clot, 95. Chinese shop is open all about. Go dig your man banana down a blood clot country. Nobody not have it. When girl tell you say foreigner, then can't make blood clot salt and them there. You don't think a blood clot lie. You don't think a lie, nobody have nothing to do, friend, especially in a blood clot snow right now. Where people are going in a winter time, 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes I tell us me I'll have a payment early in the morning. Me no want go. Anytime people go to one blood clot 50 and no one come take liberty of people over here so and go like say people have a blood clot. You know for go away. You know for blood clot go me there Jamaica me walk and sell all about cup and plate, spoon and fork. So why you can't do the same blood clot thing? Only thing so overseas easy. Your hospital pan the road they say put all a black, you put all one black garbage bin. Garbage bag in a one blood clot. They charge you $600 so them stay. And when people blood clot tell them say, look, I don't ease. Only things say people bad mind. Only things say people this and people that. And people blood clot have it. And because of safety and them, something they make people move come and they can require look $2 and go back a yard. You understand me? My sister, she listen where she send after me send her some money and she make me money next 2 days. Listen where she say, guys.
When I was in house, money transport me. So them over public call me how I like say. I was sending off money. You have to try and send the money before Friday. Because I want the money for you. Other family are doing it your family. Because I will want the money. Then if you are tell me this, I tell me that. Do I text along for sending off money? Because I want the money for you. Because I want it so quick, I will never tell us I don't in your sis. Come on, I want money for use.
You hear them liberty, yeah? Me a bank of blood clot Switzerland, me a bank of Africa, me a bank of blood clot Jamaica. Me a bank of blood clot Jamaica, me a president, me a king, me a queen. You hear them blood clot libertiness, yeah? Me tell her if you go down a blood clot, me there is where her father did. Or me tell her if you go dig up her blood clot father, Everton Thomas, a.k.a. Zander in a Spanish town with dead from blood clot 2004. Me tell her, say, look, I go dig up your father in a blood clot, me there is. Or go find Shabba Rankin or him friend him and ask him why. Because me no blood clot have it. You understand me? That the God Almighty truth. Only things that people they have blood clot foreign. I take blood clot money off a tree. You have to stop it. When girl give $100, appreciate it. And be patient. You understand me? Kind of things say people, you don't think say money easy. If it come in easy, they get tell 1,500 say done when they get 1,000 like done it done. When you can't make look water Jamaica and catch water, you can't do this yourself. No, you cannot. You have to just live without. Right now, me broke coming on the money. I have to live without. Me can't make nobody nothing. You have to stop it. Go look at 95. And blood clot, I don't have to stop blame the government for everything. And the government make you no can't read, alright? And the government make you never go a blood clot school. And the government make you no breed out. Go look at 95. Go look at 95. The government of Jamaica have no blood clot right to take care of own, to take care of yourself. That's why they make blood clot school. If you say go to school, take in education and find a job when you leave blood clot school. You know, go. Nobody now know if you know a blood clot.
Thank you so much, guys. I know you listened at the all part of the clip so that you may be able to understand all these things. So, guys, is begging crime? Of course, it's not a crime because, you know, it depends with how you approach it, you know. And also, remember that in developing countries, Jamaica being one of them, the governments usually don't have a system that helps the poor or those that are in need. And also, okay, we all know that in developed countries, the governments have a system where if you're not able to provide for yourself and your family, you apply and then you're taken to a certain community and you get sorted out. In fact, you're even paid even monthly. And it's not like these people don't understand about the hardship, genuinity, and everything, you know. So let's look at this story in the element of entitlement. So the Jamaicans, both at home and those that are abroad, okay, in this the entitlement factor comes in with the Jamaicans abroad. They feel like, you know, these people really feel entitled. Okay, you supported me to go to America, to go to Europe, but later on, you feel like you are entitled to getting money from me, to getting anything from me. So these people, they understand that the Jamaicans abroad, they understand, of course, that life back at home is very hard. It's not like they don't understand. They understand the genuinity in it. But let's talk about the attitude now, because this is where all these complaints originates from. Okay, you have sacrificed probably your 1,000 Jamaican dollars, 2,050, and then you come together as a community and you fundraise for this particular neighbor of yours. They go, and you know, I mean, it's just crazy. So after you've sacrificed to send money, okay, after you are in abroad, you sacrifice, you send back money, and the only thing that you are met with is complaints. Probably you sent pairs of shoes, like 100 of them or 20 of them, but the complaint that you are getting is that, yeah, we got the shoes, but we didn't want this color, we wanted this other color. Or probably you sent a barrel of food, but again you get the complaint that, okay, it was okay, but you did not put enough corned beef. You know, such simple things. It's really not just coming in well with the Jamaican diaspora. So all in all, this all is not about begging thing, but it's lack of appreciation that comes in with emotional manipulation. I mean, this ungratefulness ardents at the heart of those who are willing to support and help their people back at home, and it will, at the end of the day, cause them, or it will make them to cut ties completely in order to protect their own mental health, their own mental peace, and also financial stability. That is now from the entitlement point of view. Can we now talk about the diaspora disconnect? Because this is where the story now lies. Okay, we have all said that begging is not a crime, and I don't know what you view begging is. What's your definition of begging? Is it a survival tactic or a social habit? According to you, kindly comment down below what you think about all this. So what we are seeing here, honestly, is a rift between the Jamaicans at home and Jamaicans abroad. And the main issue here is a misunderstanding of what life abroad is like. What is it like in real sense? So for many people in Jamaica, once a family member just steps on a plane and then off to probably America or Europe or Asia or Australia, they have this notion or perception that their struggles have come to an end, and also they have an infinite access to a monetary, you know, and they don't actually see the hardships that these people will be going through, the harsh winter, you know, the high rents, I mean, the high standard of living there. And also, most of the time when these loved ones they come back home and visit, they are no longer viewed as family members, or rather they are viewed as, you know, working ATMs, which makes them really uncomfortable. So when you are abroad, it's actually really sad that your people will only call you those times when they need money, when money is involved. Yeah, school fees, medication, for food, but they will never call to say hello. And what Jamaicans diaspora, what the diaspora Jamaicans or the Jamaicans in diaspora are saying, that it's not about being mean, it's not about forgetting where we have come from, it's about demanding that relationship should be based on respect and love, and not just on currency. I hope you now understand all these things, you know, because at the end of the day, everybody begs, whether you have money or you don't have money, you know, everybody begs. It's something that is there all over the world. And, you know, I saw somebody in the comment section some time back saying that whether, especially if you are a tourist and you are in Jamaica, I mean, the begging thing is non-stop. I don't know if that's true. But anyway, Guys, I don't know what you think about our video today. Me personally, it's just I believe it's just a matter of misunderstanding. And of course, on that, I can tell you that, you know, once there is an understanding of what this Jamaican that is going abroad is going through some sort of hardships before even they settle down. Once those that are at home understand that, then it becomes easier. But then when you view somebody that has gone abroad, you know, this American dream thing that has been planted into our mind, it really messes up with those family members that travel there, because they are expected to do a lot and a lot, yet they don't have a lot of access to opportunities, probably because of their physical energy. Okay, if we were machines, people could be working up to 15 jobs, but now you are a human being. I mean, you need rest, you need to sleep, you need time to eat, but now in this rate, we just need to understand, you know. I don't know what you think about the video. Kindly comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.